Hey guys, here is a new fan I got today. This is a 52-inch Sears Emerson turn of the century. I got this off of Facebook Marketplace today. Just picked it up earlier today and I put it up in my room. This fan is really cool. This is definitely one of my top favorites in my whole entire collection, easily. This fan's from the mid-80s, I want to say. Came with this 5 light. I believe it's kind of like an amber, sort of. This fan's super cool. It's a 4-speed model, and it has the wood pull chains. It's half ornate, sort of. It has those little badges right there. So it has, I don't know what type of wood that is. I'm gonna say oak, walnut, probably walnut or something. Walnut stencil. Just plain up there, and it's got the blender canopy, aka the tuna can canopy. This fan is basically like the Emerson 1895, like the one I have also, but this was kind of like the upscale model of the 1895 because it's basically an 1895 because of the blade brackets and the motor housing and stuff. It basically, the only difference with the bottom faceplate is that's a Sears style, and it's also the ornate sideband, antique brass. It's brown and antique brass. It's basically kind of like, so for example, the 1895 is like a Chevy or something, and then like this is like a Cadillac or something. But yeah, so start off with the light. Super bright, which I do like. I just put the clear 40-watt bulbs in there because I think it looks nice. I turn on to low. Got this about like a little over an hour away from me, which isn't that bad. This fan is super buzzy because it has no rubber insulation, because it has a metal flywheel. This fan does have the KB55 motor in it. Which I think is very interesting because because the windings are exposed. I'll probably most likely always leave it on this speed because I normally have the air conditioner running, and then this is perfect just to circulate the air around a little bit. I really like this combo with the brown and antique brass. I don't know what other fan screams 80s, but this one does. I actually don't know. No, I think it's the blades that are rattling. So there's low, I'll turn up to medium low. Speeds up just a little bit. This is more like a functional low. And this like it probably is original. And it's got wide blades. They're so wide. They're a little skinny up there, but then they get much wider out. And it's got the wingtip blades too. And I believe this is the second generation of the turn of the century because the first turn of the centuries they had the Emerson drop flywheel, but then they moved to this 1895 version, like sort of similar. This generation was probably like made around the same time as the 1895 because they're basically the same fan. I always wanted one of these turn of the centuries. I always thought they're so cool. Okay, I'll move up to medium. This is where it starts to move a lot of air. And also where the humming starts, you can really notice it. And the light kit does hang a little low, but it clears my head, so it's alright. I'll probably most likely be the only one walking under it. This angle's pretty cool of it, directly under it. Okay, now move up to high. Now this is where it shows it's a good fan. And has no wobble, just a little bit of shake, but that's it. It's a great fan. I'm so happy to find one of these. And the light. And for some reason, this socket is a little bit messed up. It got out of its screw thing where it goes into place, but it's okay. I'll reattach it sometime. I'll turn it off. So yeah, that is a 52-inch Emerson Sears turn of the century ceiling fan. So yeah, that's it. Bye.